Oh, we're very well, thank you very much indeed.
Bit fuzzy-eyed still.
Arrivederci.
Oh, I'm feeling absolutely fantastic. Sun shining, the wind has gone, and I'm up with the front leaders here, so I'm expecting to keep with them for the first 100 yards and then fall back to my normal position, centre last.
It's not too bad. Great day for it.
Yeah, it's great. Especially this portion.
Bring on the Alps!
Just about warming up now. Just about warming up.
Oh, 45 miles an hour, this is really fast.
It's another great day.
Look at all these guys behind me.
Right, where's Rupert? Oh God. I'm feeling good. The weather's great, there's no rain. Halfway to lunch, bring it on.
Did the Band of Brothers ride last year, but most importantly this time doing it for my uncle and my dad. My uncle was 1 para at Arnhem, Dad was 4 para in Palestine, so just seemed the most appropriate ride to do this year.
Sunny, relaxed, but I have a feeling they might be hiding some hills. I hope it's not true.
I'm loving it. Arse a little bit sore, but other than that.
Yeah, all right actually, not bad. I've had these two to chase all morning, so it's all good.
Not a bad way to spend your 46th birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
I didn't know it was your birthday, Dave.
It's my birthday today.
We sing happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Today we're at Breendonk Fort, which is a fort that was built before the First World War. But during the Second World War was taken over by the German Gestapo in Italy and then the SS, and became part of the Nazi control infrastructure. It wasn't a concentration camp or a death camp, but a number of prisoners were processed through for various reasons, including resistance to the regime, and it was also used as part of the system for moving the Jewish population from Belgium and the Low Countries out to the east via the concentration camps and finally out to the death camps.
Mum broke her leg about a year ago, and it was one of those sort of experiences where for 6 weeks you sort of become a bit helpless, and I think that really brought home sort of the sacrifice that guys go through when they're out there and can come back without sort of, for them that's not a 6-week experience, it's the rest of their lifetime.
Got the wind at our back now, at least that's something.
Very good day, except I fell off.
It's a lovely stretch this. That's absolutely brilliant. Sun's out, no wind, and we're going quite fast, so it's good.
£50 if he falls into a pothole on camera.
Not worse yesterday than today.
That'll do. You saw the size of the glass they gave me last night, didn't you?